1, consolidation. Question 2, miscellaneous IFRS. Question 3, miscellaneous standards. Question 4, usually a complete discursive question. It will have 3 parts, A, B, and C, and they will give you a scenario and something wrong had happened, some accounting treatment was not done properly, and they will ask you to give opinion about the correct accounting treatment. It does not require calculations. So there is no calculation in this question. It is only a discussion question with 3 parts. Now, when I said miscellaneous IFRS, so in exam, you might be actually in your syllabus, there are almost like 24 standards, but not all of the standards are equally important. If we start studying together, we will cover all of the 24 standards. But we know that exam focuses more on these standards, which is IFRS 15 revenue, IFRS 16 leases, IFRS 9 financial instruments, IFRS 2 share-based payment, IS 12 taxes, IS 16 PPE, IS 19 employee benefit, IS 21 foreign exchange, IS 33 EPS, IS 36 impairment, and IS 37 provisions. Now, there are other standards as well, and they might as well be tested, but they will not have huge marks. The bigger chunk is here. The bigger chunk is here. So these are the standards where you have to work really hard.